wrapped in velvet tone. You drank my peace in quiet nights and called my loneliness your home. I felt my heartbeat losing air. You smiled and said you're just afraid, but fear was truth I couldn't spare. Your love was just another blade. You're a soul thief, hiding poison in your touch. Angel eyes, but the darkness wants too much. Don't come closer, don't step into my calm. I survived your chaos, I am better on my own. Your feet on cracks inside my chest.